Well, here's the other breaking news we're tracking this morning. Robert Vadra, who has reacted to the Aam Aadmi Party turmoil. What goes round comes around, he says. Let's zoom in a bit and show our viewers on his Facebook post what Robert Vadra has said. From inception in 2010, the people who threw baseless false accusations at me are now having to face a similar plight. That too from an insider who claims to have substantial proof. Well, I've borne so many false accusations from various politicians, mostly to gain publicity for themselves or divert the public mind from important national issues, that I'd like to see how this one is played out. Well, this is what Robert Vadra is saying this morning. What goes around comes around. My colleague Brajesh, who's joining us as well. So, Brajesh, you have the Congress, the BJP, and now Robert Vadra also jumping in this Kejri bomb.
Well, absolutely. And I think, you can't blame them for doing so because, for long they had been at the receiving end of various allegations leveled by Arvind Kejriwal. And they always had said, these political parties and also Robert Vadra, that, that these accusations were being made without showing any substantial proof. Now, since the life has come full circle as far as Arvind Kejriwal's allegations are concerned, now he's being accused by an insider, someone who has been with the party since the inception of India Against Corruption, a minister in Arvind Kejriwal cabinet. And now since he is leveling allegation of corruption against Arvind Kejriwal, all these political parties couldn't have felt better because they personally feel that, that now the time has come for Arvind Kejriwal to walk the talk, of to do what he has been asking other people to do when he had leveled accusation against them. And they are saying that it's saddening that, the person who thought or who preached morality and probity in public life is now absconding, not even, commenting upon the allegation which has been leveled against them. So for all these political parties and individuals who had been targeted by Arvind Kejriwal, they all are having a field day as of now.
All right. Thanks so much for joining us, Brajesh, with all those details. Also, Kapil Mishra is set to appear before the ACB 11 a.m. today, and he would be taking allegations of the water tanker scam that happened during the Congress government tenure, interestingly. So we'll have to wait and watch out how this plays out, taking a short break at the moment.